Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my monthly Glossybox subscription box unboxing. So I have it with me right here. So this is the February Glossybox. I believe it's a Valentine's Day themed box, but this video is probably going to be up after Valentine's Day, unfortunately. Valentine's Day is tomorrow, but by the time I've edited this video it's going to be after Valentine's Day. But I thought I would show you what I got in this Glossybox. So I'm just going to open the outer box up, and this is what the internal box looks like. By the way, if you're interested in subscription box unboxings and that sort of content, then you might enjoy some of my other videos that I have posted recently. So if you're not already subscribed, then be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can next see when I post a video. I will be doing Glossybox unboxings over the next couple of months because I have a 6-month subscription with them. So this is the February Glossybox, the Valentine's edition. I'm just going to open it up. And what have we got in here? So this is the leaflet that has all of the products in and the retail prices, and then it's just wrapped up really nice and pink for Valentine's Day. So Glossybox wraps their products in pink anyway because that's sort of their colour, but it's got this really nice like neon pink bow, which is really cute. So as I usually do, I will just grab whatever I can in the box without looking because I like it to be a surprise, and then I can show you in the leaflet what the retail price is and things like that. So this is the first thing that I got my hands on because it felt really nice and squishy in the box. So this is a Palmer's Coconut Oil Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. So it's for dry, damaged or colour treated hair. So this is perfect for my hair because my hair is really dry at the ends. Most of my hair is natural now, well not most of it, but like a good proportion of my hair is now natural hair, but a lot of this end is like colour treated. It's been colour treated at some point. It's really dry and damaged, so this sort of product is brilliant for me. I love hair masks. So this is Palmer's Coconut Oil formula, and I do enjoy their like body moisturisers, so this will be a really good one for me to try. So this has an RRP of £2.50, so this is a full size. So next thing in the box, so this is by the brand Floss, and it says at the bottom never tested on animals, which is really good. So I'm gonna have to get this out to see what it is because by the packaging I do not know what it is. Right, so it is a lip gloss. So perfect for Valentine's, a lip product, and it's a really nice pink colour. Now I do not use lip glosses at all. I find that shiny lips on me just look weird. I always have like matte lipsticks on if I do even wear lip products at all. So this is going to be an interesting one to try. I will try it because I try all these products in these subscription boxes. It's a great chance to try something new. But it's like a doe foot applicator, and I'll do a little swatch. It is a really nice colour and it's actually really opaque, so I might get away with it. I don't know. I will definitely try it. You might be able to see a little bit better. It's kind of like the colour of my jumper, which is really cool. So yeah, it's a really nice colour. It's called My New Favourite Lip Gloss by the brand Floss, and it'll be really good for anyone on Valentine's Day. So this is a full size, and this has an RRP of £12.30. So that is the second product. I feel like I'm going through this quite fast actually. Right, so the next product also looks like it's really well themed for Valentine's Day. So this is a plumping and hydrating lip mask. So as Valentine's Day is tomorrow, I might actually try this tomorrow and see what it's like because this is quite cool. So it's a plumping lip mask. Is it a... yeah, so by the look of the picture on the back, it's like a sort of a sheet mask sort of thing in the shape of lips, and you put them over your lips and it's got some sort of plumping and hydrating sort of thing to it. I think there's only one mask in here. I've never used something like this before, so that's going to be interesting. So this is a full, no? This is a deluxe mini. So I don't know what it means by deluxe. So this is worth £4.25 just for the mini. and the full size has an RRP of £8.50. That's quite confusing. But anyway, that's gonna be interesting to try. Again, really well themed, so well done Glossybox, you're doing quite well with the theming. So the next thing is by Figs and Rouge. Is that what it says? Wonder Love Charm Glow Elixir. So let's get this packaging open because I do not know what this is. Oh, that looks cute. I love the packaging, I love the pink. I love that everything is pink in this box, it's brilliant. I love pink, it's my favourite colour. But yeah, this is such a cute little bottle, and it's got like a little pink pipette, and the product inside is actually pink. It's not the bottle, it's the product that's pink. So yeah, this is by Figs and Rouge, and it's a glow elixir. So it says it's a distinctive brightening and charming elixir designed to delight and intensify skin's natural glow. So it's hydrating. So it's basically like a glowing serum that you apply under makeup, and it's supposed to make your skin look a little bit glowy. I do like products like this because it's not something that I would go out and necessarily look for, but if it works, it's probably going to be a really nice product to have. So yeah, I do really like getting products like this in these beauty boxes. And again, it's by a brand that I've never heard of before. I do really enjoy exploring new brands with these subscription boxes, so really, really nice product. So this is a full size and it has an RRP of £35. So that is pretty good. So the last product, I almost couldn't find it then. It looks empty, but there is something left in here. So this packaging is so good. All the packaging in these products is like really nice and sleek. I love it. So this is by the brand Saint Lux, and it is a lip liner duo, 2-in-1. Oh, that's fab. So you get 2 lip liners in this package. So they're in 2 different shades. What are the shade names, does it tell you? Right, so we've got a red shade which is called Crush, and a pink which is called Cupid. So 2 really, really staple colours in terms of lip products. A really nice easy red and like a slightly nudie pink. So that is wicked. So these are both full size, obviously, and they have an RRP of £23. So I'm really excited to use these. I'm definitely going to use these loads. I feel like you could probably use this like pink lip liner, do like the majority of your lips, and then go over with the lip gloss that I received in this box as well. This is really, really nice. I might as well swatch them, you know, just show you what they look like. So this is the red shade, which is in Crush. Oh, okay. So it's quite a pinky red. It's broken off a bit when I try to swatch it, so it's a little bit hard. But I will show you the colour of that. You're not going to be able to see too well because, you know, not a beauty guru. But this is the red shade. I'll show you the pink. So let's try the pink. That's really nice. So it's like a really dusty rose colour, so it's just this one on the bottom. So that really would look nice with the gloss over the top. I'm not going to be able to see it too well. Again, it's like the colour of my jumper, like a dusty rose pink. Really, really nice, really easy colour. I'm definitely going to use the pink one. That is lush. Really happy with everything I've got. Some really nice high-priced products and perfect theme with Valentine's Day. Glossybox has done a really good job, I think, of picking products that are different enough, because there are like 3 products related to lips, but they are different enough that you'd be happy to receive them all. So yeah, really happy with everything I've got in this box. Generally with Glossybox, I say at the end of all my videos, I'm really happy with the products that I've got for the price, like £10 and then postage on top. It's really, really good value. The products have been really great. I don't think I've been disappointed with anything that I've got in these glossy boxes, to be honest. So I would definitely recommend you trying them out if you've not used them before. So that is everything I got in this month's glossy box. If you want to see next month's Glossybox, then be sure to subscribe and you will see that next month when I post it. If you want to see previous subscription boxes from Glossybox, or I've done Birchbox in the past and look fantastic, and Rockerbox as well, then go see my previous videos. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one.